Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD from 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐞. Today I will show you guys how to get latest widget created by developers. I have created few videos on this app. As you can see here, I have these widgets from different developers. You can get all the latest widgets just by downloading a single app. Before I show you how to get this type widgets, just subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now you get this latest wallpaper created by graphic designer AR. Wallpaper link will be mentioned in the description. You can download from Telegram. So the name of this widget is 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. It's very famous and it's free. You can create your own widgets over here. 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 always has latest widget for you. So just open the app and go to the explore at the bottom, and here tap on sort and filter widgets. Then from sort by select newest, and if you want only small or large widget, then select from here. Then tap on done. As you can see here, we have the latest widgets, and you will always find new or creative widgets over here that you can add to the home screen of your iPhone. So select any widget that you want and tap on import over here. Now tap on manage at the center, and from here choose the slots of your widget and choose the new widgets that you have added, and you are good to go. Also, you can set a transparent background. So from home screen, go to the edit mode and then go to the last page and take a screenshot. Then go back to 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In manage section, tap on set transparent background. Then tap on add wallpaper, and once it's added, just tap on done and you are good to go. Now just add your widget by going into jiggle mode, and from here search 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. Then slide till your widget size comes and tap on add widget. Now you have your awesome transparent widget on the home screen. So like this, you can have creative and latest widget on your iPhone with the help of a 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 app. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let me know in the comment if you face any issue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.